Welcome back. You're watching Metro Morning. In fact, big news as far as Lebanon is concerned. Big news on that front. What picking up? Fresh explosions rock Lebanon. Walkie-talkies explode in Lebanon. In fact, let's also tell you that explosion in Hezbollah's Beirut stronghold. Let's also tell you with the fact that we're looking at walkie-talkies explode across Lebanon, explosion in Hezbollah's Beirut stronghold. After explosive pagers, walkie-talkies explode. You're looking at the visuals on the screens at the moment. At least 3 dead and several feared injured. All right, Vishal.